Alright, so I'm getting ready to trim this patch panel to fit, and I've seen this similar process as this to attach patch panels. Usually what guys have is just a little tab, a little piece of metal about is just barely big enough to accommodate these clecos. It's just a little oval piece or a rectangular piece. They got two holes drilled in it, and they do the same thing I did here. Lay that piece on, drill a couple holes, put the cleco in through the little rectangular piece, and it holds the panel in place. I kind of taken it one step further. I use these on a 55 Chevy tailgate rebuild that I did to hold the inner structure to the old, the old part of the tailgate. I made a new piece for the bottom of the tailgate, and I use these to hold that together. So what I see here is, the advantage I see here is it holds everything straight in alignment. I could take it another step further and drill a hole here and here to kind of hold it, but it doesn't want to move from here. It's staying nice and flat, so there's no need to do that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go, originally I had intended to leave a little tab from the original metal, little tab here underneath, and then overlap it and then do the welding, and then just leave it in there or break it off from the inside. But I decided, I opened up my cleco box and I saw these, kind of forgot about them. So I thought, hey, I'll just use those. That'll work really well. Keep everything